How to see downloaded files in Telegram on Android. Hello everyone, welcome to this channel. I'm Emily and I'm here to help you out today. So without any delay, let's get started. So first of all, open up the Telegram application on your device and make sure that you're logged into your account. Then after logging into your account, then tap on the profile that you want to see the downloaded files of. So here's the file that I've received. Now I just have a tap on it and then I can download this as well. So just tap on three lines and tap on save to gallery. So as you do this, you can see this file can be searched and you can view this file on your gallery itself. Next, what you can do is just go to the file manager and then as you tap on file manager, go to the internal storage. Now just go to internal shared storage and tap on download. Now as you tap on download, you can just tap on the Telegram application over here. So as you tap on Telegram, you'll be able to see your downloaded files from Telegram on Android. So thank you so much for watching this video. If you enjoyed watching it, don't forget to like, subscribe and hit the bell notification for more updates. That's it for today. See you next time.